In front of me is HUAWEI Mate 20 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. Begin by going into settings and scrolling down to hit security. Then tap on app lock, hit enable and tap on lock screen password or custom PIN. If you decided to pick custom PIN, you need to create it, repeat it to confirm it, and then answer security question. If you don't like it, click on it and pick one of those. If you don't like any of them, scroll down to tap on custom question and create your own. Then answer it correctly below, hit finish, and use gray switchers next to your apps in order to lock them. So when I go back and try to access one of them, I can see that PIN is required. If you want to disable app lock from your app, go into the same settings. Enter your lock screen password or custom PIN and use blue switchers next to your apps. To disable app lock completely, click on this gear at the top right corner. Select Disable App Lock, hit Disable, enter your PIN one last time and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!